Hello, my name is Elena.
And I'm Isabel.
Do you know your colors in Spanish?
Now let's go over them.
Do you know what color pink is in Spanish?
It's rosado. Do you know what color an apple is? It's red.
In Spanish, red is rojo. Next, what color is a pumpkin?
It's orange. In Spanish, orange is naranja. What color is Elena's phone?
You already said.
What color is Elena's phone? It's yellow.
In Spanish, yellow is amarillo.
Okay, good job. Let's move on.
What color is grass? It's green.
In Spanish, green is verde.
Good job. So far, we've covered 5 colors.
Now what color is the sky? It's blue.
In Spanish, blue is azul. Next, what color is a plum? It's purple.
In Spanish, purple is morado. Can you try saying it?
Great job. Let's move on to the next color.
What color is gold? It's black.
In Spanish, black is negro. Can you try saying it?
Good job.
What color is coffee? It's brown.
In Spanish, brown is coffee. What color is marshmallow? It's white.
In Spanish, white is blanco.
Only one more color left.
What color is pencil lead? It's gray.
In Spanish, gray is gris.
Great. Now that we've covered all of the colors in Spanish, now we'll move on to the numbers. First, let's cover the numbers 1 through 10. 1 is uno, 2 is dos, 3 is tres, 4 is cuatro, 5 is cinco, 6 is seis, 7 is siete, 8 is ocho, 9 is nueve, and 10 is diez. Great job. We've covered 10 of the numbers in Spanish so far.
Now let's cover the next 10. 11 is once, 12 is doce, 13 is trece, 14 is catorce, 15 is quince, 16 is dieciséis, 17 is diecisiete, 18 is dieciocho, and 19 is diecinueve, and lastly, 20 is 20.
Now let's cover the last 10 of the 20s. 21 is 21, 22 is 22, 23 is 23, 24 is 24, 25 is 25, 26 is 26, 27 is 27, 28 is 28, 29 is 29, and 30 is 30. Now that we've gone over the numbers, let's go over the alphabet.
Now, amigos, are you ready to learn your letters in Spanish? A.
In Spanish, A is A. B.
In Spanish, B is B. What about C?
In Spanish, C is C. D.
D. Nice job. E.
E is F. F.
F.
Now try G.
Yeah. Now try doing H-I-J-K by yourself, Nico.
Correct. It's R-K-E-J-K.
Nice one. It's L-M-N.
Now the next one is tricky. We call it an N with the squiggle. Give it a try, amigo.
It's N. Nice try. Now try O-P-Q-R-S.
Great job. It's O-P-Q-R-S. Next letters are T-U-V-W. Amazing job. It's T-U-V-W.
Last one's my turn. X, Y, and Z. Finish off strong, amigos. Now you know your alphabet in Spanish.
Thank you for watching, amigos.
Hello my friends, today we will be introducing the colors.
Hola mi amigos, hoy vamos a estar introduciendo los colores.
Me llamo Tyler. My name is Tyler.
Me llamo Henry. My name is Henry.
Me llamo Kevin, my name is Kevin.
Rosado, pink.
Rojo, red.
Anaranjado, orange.
Amarillo, yellow.
Verde, green.
Azul, blue.
Morado, purple.
Negro, black.
Café, brown.
Blanco, white.
Gris, gray.
Dorado, gold.
Plateado, silver.
Hello, my friends. Today we'll be introducing the Spanish alphabet.
Hola, mis amigos. Hoy vamos a introducir el alfabeto.
A,
B, B,
C, C,
D, D,
E, F,
F, F,
G,
H, H,
J, J,
K, K,
M, H,
M, M,
N,
O, O,
P, P,
Q, Q,
Q, R, R,
S, S,
T, T,
U, U,
V, V,
W, W,
X, X.
Y,
Z, Z,
What? Hello, my friends. Today we'll be introducing the numbers.
Hola, mis amigos. Ahora vamos a introducir los números.
1, 1.
Dos, two,
3, 3,
4, 4.
cinco, five,
6, 6,
7, 7.
ocho, eight,
9, 9,
10, 10.
once, 11,
12, 12,
13, 13.
14, 14,
15, 15.
What's up, guys? We will be talking about los colores, the colors.
My name is Kristen.
My name is Dan.
My name is Spencer.
My name is Tati.
Red is rojo, red is rojo.
Blue is azul. Blue is azul.
Yellow's amarilla. Yellow's amarilla.
Verde is green. Verde is green. Black is negro. Black is negro.
Blanco is white. Blanco is white.
Purple is mirage. Purple is mirage. Brown is cafe. Brown is cafe.
Is rose. Is rose.
I got 1 point.
Green is gray.
I had a lot of things going on. A lot of things going on. We're learning most.
Thank you. Have a good day.